Welcome back, student. See, in this session we are learning uh, physical properties of metals and non-metals. See, first one, physical properties of metals. First one is a malleable. What is malleable? Malleability or malleability. Okay. Malleability. Okay. Malleability means any CTC metals are malleable. First one is a metals are malleable. Metals are malleable. Metals are malleable. Okay. See, we have to see the property which allow the metal to be hammered into a thin sheet. Is called malleability. See, we have to see the so many metals is there. Iron metals is making the thin sheets. These sheets is using for various purpose. Okay. See, we have to see the so many metals is using for, see, if a hammering and it will make the thin sheets. All metals is have the this like a physical properties. See, non-metals are not malleable. See, it is a non-metals are not malleable. Non-metals are non-malleable. See, is the malleability is there non-metals for? No. See, it is a brittle. If you break down, it is a form the powder-like substances. Carbon, we have to see the brittle. Okay. Next, we have to see the ductility. Second one is a ductility. What is ductility? Yesterday learn ductility. Metals are ductile. See, first one is a metals are ductile. See, metals they drawn into the wires, small wires. Okay, the property which allow the metal to be drawn into wires is called malleability. Sorry, ductility. Ductility. We have to see the so many ornaments is making using of these metals. See, like gold, silver. See this like. And we have to see the at our homes also. We have to see copper wires, chromium wires, aluminum wires is a ability to make the wire drawn into the wires. See, non-metals are not ductile. See, second one, non-metals. See, non-ductile. Non-ductile. See, non-metals are not ductiles. Non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile. See, non-metals are neither malleable nor ductiles. Non-metals are brittle. It will be break. It will form the powder-like substances. See, that's why it is a non-metals or brittles. Next, conductivity. Next, third one is a conductivity. Conductivity. What is conductivity? Metals are conducting. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. Metals are a good conductor of heat and electricity. For example, we have to see the copper, aluminum, see gold, silver. See, these all metals, iron, iron also, ferrous. See, these all metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. See, we are using the copper vessels, aluminum vessels, ferrous vessels at our home. So it is a steel vessels also. See, so it is a good conductor of heat. Next, silver metal is a best conductor of heat. See, more important, silver metal are best conductor of heat. So it is a best conductor of heat, this silver. Next, see, non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals is a doesn't conducting the any heat and electricity. Non-metals are do not conduct heat and electricity. Do not conducting the heat and electricity. Non-metals. That's why we have to see the cooker. See, it is a holding. The handle is a plastic. Okay, wooden. See, it is a doesn't conducting the heat and electricity. Okay, plastics is a doesn't conducting the heat and electricity. See, but graphite is a non-metal which is a good conductor of, it is a electricity, good conductor. See, graphite and diamond is a non-metal which is a good conductor of heat. See, graphite is a non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. That's why we have to see the dry cells for. Dry cells is there. See, dry cells for we are using the, see, this is a graphite rod. See, it is a conducting the electricity. See, conducting the electricity. It is a graphite. Which non-metal is a conducting the electricity? It is a graphite. Okay. Next, we have to see the use for making electrodes. See, these are using for making the electrodes. Next, lustrous. What is lustrous? Lustrous means chamakna. See. Lustrous. Fourth one, lustrous. Lustrous. Luster. Okay. Luster means shiny. See. Shiny. Okay. Lustrous means shiny. What's it? Lustrous means is a shiny. See, metals are lustrous. All metals are lustrous. It is a giving to the shininess. Example, gold. See, that's why so many women's, next girls, see, they are used to wear, see, these ornaments. They are more attracting towards these golds and silver, because of it will be giving to their body for therefore is a shiny. See, okay. See, this is a lustrous means is a what do you calling, chamakna. And we have to see the gold, silver is a lustrous. It is a making the jewelry because they are bright and shiny. So it is a giving to the brightness and shiny to them. See, next one is a non-metals are not lustrous. Is a non-metals is a lustrous? No, they are dull. But iodine is a non-metal having the lustrous. Iodine is a non-metals. It is a lustrous. Next we have to see the mercury also is a lustrous. Okay, mercury is a metal. It is a lustrous. It is a using for in a clinical thermometer. Next we have to see the strength. What is the strength? See, fifth one is a strength. Strength means, see, strength is there. Metals are, say, usually strong and heavy. See, it is a tensile strength. We have to see the construction of building. It is a using the iron rods. Okay, steel. See, it is a more tensile strength is there. And see, building the construction of the bridges. Okay, so it is a using the these metals. Next we have to see the, for example, sodium, potassium is a soft metal. If you cut easily with help of knife. So it is a next magnesium. We can break this like. Means this like so many metals is a strong and some metals is a weak also. And we have to see the non-metals are not strong. See, it is a, they have low tensile strength. Low tensile strength. Next, sonorous. See, sonorousness. Sonorousness. What is the sonorousness means? Metals are sonorous. Metals are sonorous. If you strike on the metals, metals is giving to the ringing sound. Ringing sound. Metals are sonorous. Metals are capable of producing a ringing sound. In our school also bell is there. It is a giving to the ringing sound. Non-metals are not sonorous. Non-metals are, it is doesn't give any sound. Next, hardness. Next one is a hardness. Hardness. What is hardness? Metals are generally hard. Metals are generally hard. Most of the metals cannot be cut easily. Okay. Most of the metals is a hard in nature. See, most of the metals cannot be cut easily, but sodium, potassium is a soft metals is there. See, most of the non-metals are quite soft, and only the non-metal diamond is a very hard. See, this is about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. See, malleability, ductility, conductivity, lustrous, strength, and sonorousness and hardness. These are a very important. Okay, you have to learn the physical properties of the metals and non-metals. See, next session for we have to learn the chemical properties of metals and non-metals.